At 1145 hours, the aircraft established contact with Lagos Tower, reporting maintaining 1,000 feet. At 1210 hours, all local time, the pilot reported sighting the airfield and was instructed by ATC to report a downwind for runway 18 left. At 1216 hours, the ATC tried unsuccessfully to establish contact with the aircraft. At 1236 hours, ATC was informed of the crash of the helicopter by a MMIA fire station. The helicopter has a valid Certificate of Airworthiness, CFA, which will expire October 29th, 2020. And Quorom Aviation, as an entity, has a valid Air Operator Certificate that will expire November 20, the year 2020. We would like to clarify that AIB did not retrieve an FDR from the aircraft, as the Bell 206 is certified at approximately 1,519 kilograms. In view of the role LASEMA played at the Bell 206 B3 crash site, AIB is looking at securing collaboration with the agency as a way of further strengthening securing the crash site and the vital evidences that could aid our investigation.